Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Making RAG Production Ready. Faster, cheaper, and more reliable AI. Imagine you have a super smart AI assistant, like ChatGPT. But what if it needs to answer questions about your specific company documents or your personal notes? That's where RAG comes in. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of it like giving your AI a super efficient librarian. Instead of just guessing, the AI asks its librarian to quickly find the most relevant information from a huge collection of documents, your company's knowledge base, for example, before it generates an answer. This makes the AI's answers much more accurate and up-to-date, using your trusted information. From a developer's perspective, RAG lets you build AI applications that are grounded in specific data, not just general knowledge, making your AI much more useful and trustworthy for specialized tasks. You've built a RAG system that works on your computer, great. But now you want millions of users to use it, or for it to power a critical business application. This is production ready. It's like building a toy car versus building a real car for daily driving. A production-ready RAG system needs to be 1. Faster. Asterisk users hate waiting. Your AI needs to fetch information and generate answers in milliseconds. 2. Cheaper. Asterisk every interaction costs money. For computing power, AI model usage, you want to keep those costs down, especially at scale. 3. More reliable. The answers must be consistently accurate, relevant, and the system shouldn't crash or give strange responses. For you, the developer, this means moving beyond a simple prototype to a robust, efficient, and cost-effective system that can handle real-world demands. How do we make our AI's librarian super fast? Imagine your librarian needs to find a book in a massive library. If books are just thrown everywhere, it's slow. If they're perfectly indexed and categorized, it's instant. We do similar things for RAG. Less than BR greater than 1. Optimized databases. Asterisk we use special vector databases that are designed to find similar pieces of information incredibly fast. Think of them as hyper-organized digital card catalogs. Less than BR greater than 2. Smart indexing. Asterisk we make sure the way we store and label our documents is efficient for quick lookups. Less than BR greater than 3. Caching. Asterisk if someone asks the same question twice, or a very similar one, we can store the answer temporarily so the AI doesn't have to think from scratch again. As a developer, you'll choose the right vector database and implement caching mechanisms to drastically cut down response times for your users. Running powerful AI models and storing lots of data can get expensive. Fast. How do we keep costs down without sacrificing quality? Less than BR greater than 1. Intelligent chunking. Asterisk when we break down large documents into smaller pieces for the AI to read, we do it smartly, instead of tiny, meaningless chunks or huge, unwieldy ones. We find the just right size. This means the AI only processes what's necessary, saving computation. Less than BR greater than 2. Smaller, smarter models. Asterisk sometimes a giant, expensive AI model isn't needed for every step. We can use smaller, more specialized, and cheaper models for tasks like re-ranking results or summarizing, before sending the final request to a larger model. Less than BR greater than 3. API optimization. Asterisk we learn to make fewer, more precise calls to expensive APIs. As a developer, you'll be designing your data processing and model orchestration to be as lean and efficient as possible, directly impacting your project's budget. An AI that gives wrong answers is worse than no AI. Reliability is key. How do we ensure our RAG system always gives the best, most truthful answers? Less than BR or greater than 1. Better retrieval. Asterisk we improve how the librarian finds information. This means using advanced search techniques to pull out the asterisk most relevant pieces, not just somewhat relevant ones. Less than BR or greater than 2. Re-ranking. Asterisk after getting a few potential books from the librarian, we use another small AI to quickly scan them and pick the asterisk absolute best ones to show the main AI. Less than BR or greater than 3. Source attribution. Asterisk we teach the AI to always tell us where it got its information from. E.g., according to page 3 of the Q3 report, this builds trust. Less than BR or greater than 4. Error handling. Asterisk what if no good information is found? The system should gracefully say, I don't have enough information, instead of making something up. For a developer, this involves implementing robust logic to refine search results, add verification steps, and manage scenarios where data is missing or ambiguous. You don't have to build everything from scratch. There are amazing tools designed to help you make RAG production ready. Think of these as your specialized power tools. Less than BR or greater than 1. Frameworks. Asterisk libraries like asterisk LangChain asterisk and asterisk Llama Index asterisk are like blueprints that help you easily connect all the different parts of your RAG system. Your documents, your search, your AI model. Less than BR or greater than 2. Vector databases. Asterisk tools like asterisk Pinecone, Weaviate, or asterisk Chroma asterisk are those super fast, organized digital card catalogs we talked about. Less than BR or greater than 3. Cloud services. Asterisk platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure provide the computing power and managed services you need to run your RAG system at scale. As a developer, learning to use these tools efficiently will dramatically speed up your development process and make deploying a production-ready RAG system much more manageable. Ready to build? Here's a simplified roadmap for you. The developer. Less than BR or greater than 1. Data prep. Asterisk gather your specific documents, PDFs, text files, web pages. Break them into smart chunks. Less than BR or greater than 2. Embed and index. Asterisk convert these chunks into embeddings, numerical representations the AI understands, and store them in a fast vector database. Less than BR or greater than 3. Build the chain. Use a framework like LangChain to connect your user's question, the retrieval from your database, and the AI model's generation. Less than BR or greater than 4. Optimize. Asterisk implement caching, re-ranking, and smart API calls to make it faster and cheaper. Less than BR or greater than 5. Test and deploy. Asterisk thoroughly test your system for accuracy and speed. Then deploy it to a cloud platform so everyone can use it. This iterative process allows you to continuously improve your RAG system, turning a basic idea into a powerful, reliable AI application. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.